it's Major Mitchell here, and it's always Major in the house, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Fidget Cube. If you want to just fiddle, this is a thing for you. There are heaps of colours that you can pick from. I chose for a blue and purple glitter. There are 6 different sides to fidget with. I'll be showing you all of them. Firstly, you have this. Now this is just something that's very smooth that you can just put on your thumb. Next is this little click thing. Next is this joystick looking thing that you can move around. Next are just 5 different buttons. Some don't click, some do click. Next you have this rotating thing. Very annoying indeed. Next we have 2 on these ones. We have 3 gears, and then we have this little magnetic bowl. And then you can have some fun. Well, that's the end of this review on the Fidget Cube. Now, I'll definitely be fidgeting with this. Anyway, have a nice day and be major.